Hey guys, today we are introducing Shopify integration with InstantDM. So what you can do? So generally, why this particular thing is required? So most of us we already have a Shopify store and trying to sell something, right? And how we are trying to sell? And we are trying to sell via Meta ads or some other places where we are spending a lot of money, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, WhatsApp ads. So there are a lot of ways we are trying to do, but what we are getting as a result, we are not getting more conversion. The conversion rate is very low. And when you understand, these ads just give you traffic, not the conversion. And that's where Instant DM comes in. So we have integrated with Shopify. We are an official Shopify partner. So what we are doing is, so whenever someone comments on your ad, or whenever someone messages you that ad, so what we do, we send them a linked product with an automated DM follow-ups. So why this automated DM follow-ups are matter? So when you notice, a lot of customers will be ordering the things when you are keep on nudging them, or a lot of people will forget you. So when they are trying to order, okay, they find the link, fine, they went to your website, they saw it, okay, but they won't order immediately. They may need some time, but you're not giving the time. But how do you going to follow up with them? Again, ads. So again, you are going to spend a lot of money. So that's where we InstantDM comes in. So what we are trying to do is, so whenever someone comments or messages, so instead of link ad, if we have a message ad, so what we'll do, someone messages you and we take care, and we going to send the product images, automated follow-ups, and not just that, and we are going to send automated upsells also. So there are a lot of talks going on here, but let's ignore that. I will show you the demo of how it is going to work in your customer's point of view. Okay, so I'm going to post, and I'm going to comment this word link. I'm just pressing enter, and you see that I will receive a message now immediately within a couple of seconds. Here we go, we got a message, and this is my shop. Consider that, and here we have a image, a small title, description, and a button called show images. I'm clicking that, and what's happening? I'm getting the description. So these descriptions are coming from your Shopify product description, and you don't need to customize anything for instant DM specifically. So whatever is there, we take that and we cut that. Here you see how nicely it is coming. So everything is from instant DM, taking from your Shopify and displaying it here. Whenever you change any description, you no need to sync with instant DM, because we automatically sync your descriptions. So here you see all the description came. Now it is going to it send me an image. So I click on an image, and you can see it is purely native, and I am clicked on an image. I can zoom it, I can see it, and I can click back, and I can come back to the chat again, and I can explore the other images also. So these images are also coming directly from your Shopify. So you don't need to upload anything on the instant day. And it is telling me to select the variant. So here it is a emitting color, and I have a three options, but I'm not going to select it now. Instead, I go back and start scrolling some reels or do something else. Okay, that's how the exactly users will do. And you see, I got a message. It's an automated follow and telling that whatever is customized, and it have a button called shop and save. I'm going to click that, and you see now it is again telling me to select the emitting color. Okay, this time I'm going to select the emitting color. This have a two variant, and I'm going to select the base color, which is a brown or yellow. I'm going to click on a brown, and once I click, you see what is that particular variant's image, and here I am getting that hurry only few left in stocks, and the title and the selected category and the pay now button. So I'm not going to click the pay now button, because that's how usually happens. User see the price and user goes out, and within 5 minutes, that's what I have configured. I got another follow-up message, and it may looks like a sequence, but I'm going to show you the timing in the Instagram chat, and you can understand what is the difference between these two chats. And I'm going to slide it left, and you can see the time there. You see that there is a 6 minutes difference. So I'm going to click on client discount and checkout, and when I click that, I'll get a browser opened, and this is my Shopify checkout page. Your payments will directly go to your Shopify account. We won't interact and we won't take your amount from the Shopify. And I'm going to fill all the details and I'm going to fill the card details. The card details are available in your chat. You can take it from there, or you can simply put random numbers. It will work because it's for testing purposes. And you can see this, and I'm going to pay now. Okay, I checked it and I purchased it. Is this stopping there? No. That's where the magic is happening. So when I purchase this particular thing, immediately what I'm getting is I'm going to receive. See here, I will receive a message. Thanks for ordering. And boom, I got it. So when I click that, and you can see, thanks for the message, and here I can recommend product for the user. So it will increase your average cost value from per person by upselling the related products. So I purchased a cloth and I purchased a pant maybe, or trouser, or I maybe a shirt. I can upsell with a watch, or I can upsell with a hat, or something, anything similar to that. You can recommend and upsell. So that's how this demo will work. And how to configure this is very simple. I'm going to tell you now. I have a laptop with me, but still you can do it on mobile. In laptop you can see a beautiful previews and how this is going to look into your client's Instagram chat. So these are all things visible in the laptop. So I'm going to show it on laptop, and I'm going to my InstantDM account. So here I'm at InstantDM. I'm going to log in with my credentials, and here I go. Once logged in, you will have all the posts, but you have something new called meta ads. So when you click on that, so all the ads which you are running for Shopify or anything, so all the ads will be visible here. You can click on a view ad, so you can see that where and how it is visible in Instagram, and you can come back to the dashboard at any time, and you can click on edit automation. So let's say we are going to edit this particular automation. So I'm going to click on this edit automation, and just click on that, and you can see something called sell Shopify product. Just click on that, and you have all these options, all these products. So whatever the product is available in your Shopify, so everything is there. So let's see, I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on the next step. So next step, I'm going to have a trigger. So what is the trigger word? So here trigger word may be link, offer, PP, so whatever it is, whatever your audience regularly comments on a post, you can add that, and you can have this particular option enabled, automate post sent to your DM for message based ads. So whenever someone messages you on that particular post, so what will happen? This particular thing will execute, like how we saw in the demo. So I'm going to click on next step. There are two things that are available in InstantDM. So one is you can just send the Shopify link instead of you having the follow-ups and everything. So if you like to just send the link to your audience, so you can click this just share Shopify link. So it will just send the link, and you can customize the link, or you can add some extra text, whatever you want. But it is not recommended because you can't do follow-ups and you can't do upsells, and that's a waste of money for you because you are already spending a lot on ads. And if you're not following up and if you're not doing anything, it's just a regular message, and you can't track and you can't get users. I'm going to click on sell on InstantDM. So when I click that, you can see that preview has changed. See images, the title, the images, the description, everything came. So I'm going to click on the next step. So here's what the follow-ups message. So here we have some default the 3 follow-ups messages, and this is how it will look. And so you can see the timing. So follow-up 1. Wait for 5 minutes after message sent. If the user is not responded, just send this particular message. And for the follow-up 2, wait for 10 minutes after sending the follow-up 1. So you can wait up to 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, so more than 5 hours, 6 hours you can wait. So it is recommended to have some flexible windows instead of sending immediately. So have some 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so that your customers won't get frustrated because you've been keep on sending a lot of follow-ups in Instagram. It is not email, they can't just keep ignored, because in Instagram they will come into the product and they will open it, they will check your messages, so everything will happen. So keep proper timings. So once everything is done, you can add extra follow-up if you require. You can add up to 5 or 6 follow-ups, and once it is done, you can click on the next step. So there are two things. One is DM follow and another is a cart follow. What is DM follow? Whenever customers see your product, saw the images, but the user haven't selected or picked what variant he want, so we will be sending the DM follow-ups. telling that hey, you haven't selected what variant you want. So can you select what variant you want? So is there anything you want anything special, or here is the size for your dress, XL, yes, M. So select that. Here is the color. So these follow-ups are called DM follow-up. And there is another thing called cart follow-up. Let's say user selected everything, but user haven't paid anything. So user haven't paid, user just left the chat. So that's where this cart follow-up comes in, and you will be sending the user to pay the amount. So this follow-up will make them to pay you. The DM follow-up will make them to add products to the cart. So that's how it works. So here also same thing. I can add up to 5 follow-ups, and it will have some default follow-ups in that. And once it is done, I'm going to the next step. So this is where it is interesting. And here I'm going to send a message once the order is confirmed, once the user has purchased the product. So we'll be sending, hey, thanks for your purchase. You can customize it. You can customize every message you are sending out, and you have 3 new options. You can send order confirm message, or community WhatsApp link, or upsell product. So I'm going to click on this upsell or recommend product, because that's how we are going to increase the value per customer. So we can make more money from single customer by upselling the product directly in Instagram chat itself. So user purchase the product, and we are going to upsell the product. Hey, here's a recommended product for you. If you like it, you can just purchase these products. That's it. So I'm going to click on the upsell product, and I will here you see here the text is customizable. Hey, it is crafted for you, and I'm going to add few products. So let's say I have a lot of products here, and I just want to add this particular product. Okay, I'm going to add this, and I'm going to here not I'm not going to upsell only one product. I can upsell up to 3 products as of now. This size will be increasing sooner. So okay, I'm going to add all the 3 products, and here the button links I can customize. So open, or maybe buying out. So whatever is required, I can just update it, and boom, I can publish it. But there is one more thing. There's a WhatsApp community link. So if the user has already purchased your product, the user is liking your shop, and the user may like whatever you're bringing in future also. So what you can do, you can just send the WhatsApp community link here, and with the text you can customize it. But this text is a good text. Join our WhatsApp community for exclusive update, and there's a button join community. So when they click on it, users will directly get into your WhatsApp group, and you can sell them organically without needing of spending extra money for that particular customer. And I'm going to publish it. So once it is published, boom, everything is live, your automation is live, and whenever someone is commenting or messaging on that particular ad, so the automation will work. How? We have just seen now how it is working. Okay, but how can you track and fulfill the items? So here, when you come to this particular dashboard, you can see how many sales you have done and how many comments automated. And when you click on this all comments, here's the magic. So you can see the status. What is the current status? If there's a sale done for that particular user, and you can see something called sale and then the sale ID. So I can directly click on that sale ID. So it will directly open the Shopify store and the order directly, and I can go there and fulfill the items. So here it is loaded, and you can see the order is made from InstantDM, and here is what they have added, because they have purchased everything in your checkout. So all the details will be available here, and you can just fulfill the item. And there is something for you to track. So what's happening with every user? You cannot go and manage each person DM by DM, right? So what you can do is there's a small plus icon here. So when you click on that, it will show you what happened when it happened. So the product sent at 10 a.m. and the image is also sent immediately, and follow up sent within 2 minutes. So that's way. So what happened when a customer from commented to till they have purchased, and is the upsell done, is the WhatsApp community sent. So everything will be tracked inside InstantDM for your reference. So these all details will be available, and if you need any other features, you can definitely mail us or DM us. You can do communicate with us for the required features. First thing we require to automate Shopify store is your Instagram account. You have already created and connected your Instagram with InstantDM, so you don't need to worry about it. And second thing is you need to connect your Shopify store. So I'm going to scroll down or click on this open Shopify or this connect Shopify store. You can click on anything, so it will work. I'm going to click on this connect Shopify store. When I click on it, it is going to open the Shopify app store, and here you will have an install button or open button. You can just click on it. It will directly redirect to your Shopify and you will install InstantDM into your app. And once you have connected, it will load your product and you can see all the available product in your Shopify store in InstantDM.